YouTube, Cam back with another video. Got another project, the Gokart. I think this is a Carter Gokart. We're gonna restore it, make it look better. I've been sitting out in the rain and the weather and everything. It's all squeaky. Yeah, it's all stiff and everything. So we're gonna loosen everything up. Make sure everything's free, and then go from there. It's pretty much hard. We have a 212 President, the Hemi engine on it together. Doing it for a niece. Paint it up real good. Get all this rust, it's rusty, so we gotta do a lot of sanding and grinding. The seat's still in good condition. Try to tighten them down some. It's a little project. Be back. Let's say this axle, it's froze. This chain got a big kink right here. The chain is rusty. Tight. These bolts right here is rusty, so I'm gonna try to knock these off. So get this loose. It should spin freely. Gotta lubricate everything because it's been sitting, and make sure everything still good under the bottom. So yeah, just a little process, and we're gonna try to get it going. Be back. Painted it purple. Painted the rims. We're getting it ready. It's almost done. Need to put the seat on there. We gotta finish painting the seat. And the rims. It's a purple color. I'm redoing the motor. Put the motor on there. Need to order the correct belt. It's the wrong belt on there. And the chain. I put a new chain on there. So there'll be no problems, but this is it. I'll give you the update when we finish. This the seats. I'm gonna clean them and paint them. Give you the after how it look. We'll be back. YouTube, we got this right here. Got the motor on there. I'm trying to fix the belt. Everything situated. Hook the throttle cable up. Still need a few things to do, but we're coming along pretty good. President Hemi on there. Had another one on there, but it was an older one. It's a little newer. Yeah, see right here. You get an update when it's running. For YouTube, it's the update for the Carter Gokart. Color purple. Have a little light sparkly glitter on that car. So running 212 Hemi President. So right here. So running. It's the update. Wash it up. I'm not hitting the rain. Update right here, baby. Be back with a right away. pulled the screw out a little bit. It'll go a little faster. Trying to make sure everything good. You don't go too fast. So update for the Gokart. My niece, little ride along, 212. Little name, little flower. Stand over here and just do the little. Put a little glitter on that floor. Make it look a little bit better. Glitter on the seat. Flowers. All glitter. Glitter on the engine. Glitter everywhere. On the belt. That name. Glitter all the way around. Just the update. For the Gokart. My niece. She'll be happy. Yeah.